How to redeem a Spotify gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to redeem our Spotify gift card online. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to launch a web browser on your device. And now tap on the search bar, type in www.spotify.com and press enter on your keyboard. Then you'll reach on the official interface of Spotify where you'll need to make sure that you sign in to your account. Now tap the settings icon at top right corner of your screen and now select view account option. On the payment you will see the redeem option. Choose redeem. Now enter your gift card code. You need to complete that I am not a robot verifications and then click on continue button to activate your balance. And with that, you will successfully redeem Spotify gift card online. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.